I want blood!
You shall have blood. But you have to be patient.
The whole village will not suffer because your son is still grieving his father.
Who took away my husband? Now he wants to take the only possession I have left.
That is not the way of the Lord.
If it's not the way of the Lord, then let the Spirit trouble me before I embark or after. But I have to go.
From the award-winning Hollywood director prospect, Limchuku, comes another chartbuster.
They slew hundreds in a single day. Very great evil goes with them from their father, and it weakens men when they approach.
Critics are calling it the best movie coming out of Africa, starring over 12 major stars. Do not let this one pass you by. It is a must-see. Chronicles of Blizzard. High-level visual effect and animations. Intriguing, exciting, suspenseful. Action-packed, chair-gripping movie. It is simply unbelievable. Hollywood extravaganza with high-class performance by your favorite international artists. And Hollywood.
I will ravage through your land, and none will stop me.
Speak these words to me, yet you alone.
What kind of game is this? Oh. If that's how you want it.
The head is mine.
You dare me, toddler? Oh, Rose again!
Premiering Saturday, May 2nd, 2015 at the Arc Theater, Hollywood. For more information, please visit www.chroniclesofblizzard.com.